How to check RAM memory on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in Device Monitor and search for it. When you find the app from the results, make sure to download it if it isn't already downloaded. Then, tap on Open as shown. Once you're here, you can view and track real-time system and hardware information, such as CPU usage, RAM, battery health, network activity, and storage, to provide users with a detailed understanding of their device's performance and health. Now, scroll down to the RAM section below. Over here, you can view the RAM memory information of your phone, such as total RAM, active and inactive RAM, compressed RAM memory, and more. Following these steps, you can easily check RAM memory on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.